Welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. I got deliveries today. So, if you look at, I'm going to create a whole new playlist on MadBite because it is a sister company to kastking. And please look at the bass one. And I'm going to make one for each one of the boxes. These are all 60% off right now. As of this moment, 60% off coupon at Amazon. You can only use the coupon once. So buy everything you want, then add these coupons. So, this episode we're going to look at the panfish one. I haven't even opened it yet. So, let me move my keyboard out of the way. And then, not let that fall. Move this down. And so this is the panfish. MadBite, madly different. Let's open it up. Panfish is like a crappie, bluegill, things like that. And crappie is the best tasting fish you will eat out of fresh water. So I'm really looking forward to this because panfish is big, like trout, which you will see in another episode here in Oregon. So there's a lot of great stuff. Panfish have little mouths. And a trick about crappie, they can't see below them. So they can see forward and above them. So if you put your bait below them, they ain't going to see it. So you got to dangle it above where they are. And they'll come up and they'll get it. And they don't hit real hard, just FYI. They got little mouths. Okay, so let's look at this. You will need a stringer because you're going to catch a lot of crappie. This is a 6-foot stringer. This is very cool. This is a line snipper. And it just cuts. Boop, boop, boop. So you're going to need that. Bobbers. I don't use bobbers a whole lot, but it's great for pan fishing. So you have lots of jigs. Crappie like eating off of jigs. Now, I love the red and the yellow. So they love eating off it. You know, you put a little rubber thing on here, a little plastic, which, by the way, they give you these swim, sort of like a fluke, and you just put it on there like so. And this is a great combination. Also, white. White is a really good combination. They're giving you, look at this, spinners. 2 different spinners. One already with a swimmer on it. You know, these curly tails. This is great because look at that. That's going to spin. So you got 2 different ones with 2 different blades. So this one's already got something on, although you can put more on it. And then this one right here. See, it's like Colorado blade there and stuff. So awesome. So that's fantastic. And you've got tubes. Tubes are great because you see all the little thingies? Tubes are great. I love tubes. Tubes are great. And then, look at that. It's so pretty. Chartreuse with, look at that. And then you got, these are, you get 2 different sizes. Oh, no, you get 1 size. But these you can usually find, these are very common for crappie. Very common. So, you get split shots, which you'll need split shots. Crappie fishing, I love snap swivels. So you get 2 different size snap swivels. And you use crappie nibbits. It's you can use minnows if your lake allows minnows. Our lakes do not allow minnows. But you can put crappie nibbits on here. Nibbits is a power bait for crappie. You got lots of different size hooks here. So you could put, and you have unpainted jigs. You get 2 different size jigs. Unpainted jigs. This is a great little crappie box, or a panfish box. I mean, I'll be using it for crappie. So, these are $24.99. $24.99. 60% off, which is about $10. Yeah, it's about $10. A little over $10. So, this is a very good variety. Now, I'm going to do a panfish challenge this week, if weather allows. I'm in a kayak. I think it's going to get windy this week. So, There you go. 177 pieces for $10 at this moment. I mean, let me do a quick math here. Okay, quick math. We'll put like $2, $3, $4. These spinners are really good. You know, $4. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 25. And these 26. Ooh, lots of those. 33. Ooh, 35, 38. Hooks, another 8, maybe 46. Split shots. So it's probably close to $50 value. So even at $25, it's like half off. So, bam, that's what I'm talking about. Get it right now. I'll put a link below. This is a great deal. MadBite, crazy cool kits. So get them while you can, especially at 60% off. They're going to be sold out soon. Take care, subscribe, like. We'll see you out on the water, guys.